Warning: this might contain loud volume and the Baka Mitai meme. Enjoy!
Come on, Thunderbolt! Come on, Thunderbolt! Go get him, Thunder!
After him, boy! Go get that dirty old horse thief!
Old Thunderbolt's the greatest dog in the whole world.
He's even better than Dad! No dog's better than Dad.
What's he going to do, Dad?
Shh, shh, let's just wait and see. Look at Romeo, Callie. That old dirty dachshund, the yellow-livered little skunk. I'd like to tear his gizzard out.
Why, Patch, where did you ever hear such talk? Certainly not from your mother.
Watch out, Thunder.
Don't worry, Penny. I'll get that yellow-livered... He'll get him all right. Lucky, get down. We can't see you. Get down. Mother, Lucky, get down.
Come on, Lucky, down, dear.
Missed him. Missed him by a mile. I'm hungry, Mother. I'm hungry.
Now, Rolly, you've just had your dinner.
But I am just the same.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole elephant.
There he is behind that rock. Oh dear, he shot poor Thunder.
You missed him. Oh, Thunder's pretending.
I think. See, what did I tell you? It's one of his tricks. Lucky, get down.
ダメだねダメよダメなのよあんたが好きで好きすぎてどれだけ強いお酒でも歪めない思い出がバカみたい
I'm hungry, Mother. I really am.
Don't miss next week's exciting episode. Who will triumph?
Old Thunder always wins.